Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. A well-organized iPhone home screen makes it easier to find and access your apps quickly. Whether you prefer categorizing your apps by function or arranging them aesthetically, here is a concise yet detailed guide on how to organize your apps on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, enter the jiggle mode. Long press the home screen on your iPhone until the icon starts to jiggle. This is called the jiggle mode. Next, move apps. Drag and drop the app icon to your desired location. You can move it to another spot on the same screen or to a different screen by dragging it to the edge of the screen until it switches over. Next, you can create folder. Drag one app icon over another to create a folder. You can also add more apps to the folder. Drag and drop additional app icons into the folder. You can also rename it by tapping on the name icon and inputting your desired label. You can also have multiple folders on your home screen. Label them according to your category, like productivity, social media, game, etc. Next is to move apps to the dock. The dock at the bottom of the screen can hold up to 4 apps. To move an app to the dock, drag it down from the home screen into the dock. You can also hide pages or apps. In the juggle mode, tap on the dot at the bottom of the screen to enter the edit pages mode. You can then hide the entire home page by unchecking them. This helps to declutter your main home page. To unhide the pages, simply check them back again. Hiding an app is also by clicking the minus icon and select remove from all page from the options shown. Next, you can also use the app library. Swipe left until you reach the app library. Here your apps are automatically organized into categories. You can find any app by using the search bar at the top. To move an app from the app library to your home screen, long press the app and select add to home screen. In the juggle mode, tap on the minus icon on the top right corner of the app to delete it. Confirm by tapping delete app. You can also rearrange quickly by going to the setting app and tapping on general. Then scroll down to reset. Tap on reset. Then you will see the option to reset home screen layout. Reset home screen layout and then head over to your home screen. This will return your home screen to the default layout and place your apps alphabetically after the default apps. And that's it guys. Organizing your apps on your iPhone can significantly enhance your user experience, making it easier and faster to navigate through your device. With this guide, you can create a home screen layout that suits your preference. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.